Hi everybody. We are on a trip to Niagara Falls, Canada. So I figured I'd pop in because we had a little bit of car trouble and my husband is fixing the back brakes on the car. And look who I brought along on this trip. I brought this little lady. And she's all bundled up because it's chilly up here. But I figured I'll show everybody her outfit. Yeah. Isn't she a little sweetheart? Can't remember her name right this minute, but she is my little pumpkin fairy. Oh, look at her fingers. Isn't she just adorable? I got her all dressed up in this beautiful little outfit. Look at her passy clip. It's got a bow. And she's got her Halloween on. She has on her little ghost and pumpkins. And she's so cute. And look at, she's got matching socks. Yep, we're at Niagara Falls Blvd. There it is. And we are at AutoZone. And I just wanted to pop in here and say hi quick. And let this little girl show off. Her cute little outfit. This is really cute. And my husband loved this outfit. He came up and said, "Oh, she looks just about real, Dar. But look at her ears. Yeah. She's so precious." I forgot her brush, so hopefully her hair won't get too wild up here. But if it does, we'll just have to change it. And she's just so cute either way. I'll try to get some pictures as we go up to the falls. And we'll hop back on with another video, I hope. And thank you for coming along to watch our station. And we're doing Play Day Saturday today. Okay, thank you for coming along. We had a wonderful time making this video, and I'll be back. Isn't this outfit adorable? It's got a beautiful little passy. It's a little cream-colored honey bun. And here's her outfit in the back. This was made by Abby and Annette, Precious Dreams, and she's got this really adorable Gap snuggly bear, like it's a little, I call it a snowsuit, but it's just nice for the cooler weather. And we were going to eat dinner soon, but since the brakes broke and there's a Wendy's across the road, which I haven't been to Wendy's in many years, but I went over and got a baked potato, sour cream and chives, so that was good. And we're going to sign off from here in Niagara Falls. There's the sign again. Pretty soon we'll be there. Right, bye, baby. Bye, everybody.